Hey, Chef Carlos here with C&M. I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 over medium eggs. So for our 2 eggs over medium, we're going to need obviously 2 eggs. We're going to need some kind of device to crack our eggs in. So in this case, I have a ramekin, stainless steel bowl, anything like that would work. Today I'm going to keep the eggs a little bit simpler because I want to show the technique, but definitely you can incorporate butter or other elements like that. Today we're going to use our canola blend oil, kind of standard neutral. It's not going to really affect the flavor of the egg at all. And of course, standard procedure, salt and pepper to taste. Over here, we're going to need a non-stick Teflon pan. This is a 8-inch round. We're going to be cooking 2 eggs at the same time, so 8-inch is probably a good size. You don't want to go any bigger because we're going to be flipping it without a spatula. There's a lot of different ways to crack an egg, okay? A couple things you want to avoid, in my opinion, is do not crack it like on a corner. You're more likely to get pieces of shell inside your bowl, inside your pan, whatever you're doing. You're less likely to get shell if you crack on a flat surface. So here, we're going to crack it right on the board, okay? So we're going to get our egg very gently on the side. Okay, just a couple taps, just like that if you never cracked egg before. Get whatever your device is. We're gonna use our 2 thumbs and our index fingers to essentially come over here, right where you cracked. We're gonna put our fingers right there and just gently pull apart. All right, now, what we're looking for is a nice, beautiful, fully cooked egg where we don't have any kind of caramelization, any kind of golden brown on the egg whites. We're gonna salt and pepper them after, okay? Sometimes we don't want to put pepper right away because, again, we're looking for that nice, beautiful white presentation. So if we were to put black pepper right now, that black pepper is going to kind of discolor the egg. We're going to kind of get this darker looking egg. So we're looking for nice white, okay? Pan is heating up, looks pretty good. We're going to add some fat. So again, this is just the canola blend, oil, okay? One more second. Now we're going to let that oil heat up. So we're going to give it maybe 2-3 more seconds. So we're going to move the oil. We're going to drop in the eggs very gently, okay? There we go. So you want to see some reaction, okay? My pan right here, we're seeing the bubbles. We're not seeing a lot of popping, so I want to control it. It looks pretty good. I don't want to get it any hotter than this, okay? Next thing is what we're looking for is we're looking at the whites. That's our first indicator of when to flip. So we're gonna wait until it cooks about 60% of the egg, and then we're gonna flip it. So once we kind of have that motion, we're gonna make sure that it is not sticking to the pan or anything. Again, we're gonna kind of come down and up, okay? So making sure, looking good, 60%, coming down and up, and just like that. So now that we flipped it, you can see that we have a nice, beautiful white. You don't see any kind of golden brown. We see the yolks are here, right? So it looks beautiful, okay? So now we can go directly from the pan to the plate. Also too, it does have some oil, so we don't want olive oil, all the oil, so we just want a little bit. No one likes greasy eggs, okay? And now we're gonna season it, salt and pepper on top. Nice and even. Every bite should be the same. And then a little garnish, a little minced parsley for color. And there we go. We have our 2 eggs over medium at the same time in the same pan. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Chef Carlos, and good luck out there in the kitchen.